Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Bates Elementary School in Louisville, Kentucky, and this is part of the JCPS, Jefferson County Public School District. Such an honor to be back here. I've been here a few years ago in the past in person. I got to share my heart virtually as well. Today, though, the focus was just the 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, right? And the main message was all about positivity. It was about being your best self. And what's so cool is that in their hallway here, right outside their main school entrance, they have this bulletin board in the back, and it pretty much touched on everything that we spoke about today, right? Having a positive attitude in every area of our lives, with our friends, our family, our coaches, our teachers, right? Our classmates, but also really trying to stay positive even when things get hard. And look, it's so easy to stay positive when the sun is shining outside and figuratively speaking inside of our hearts, right? Things are going so well in our lives, but that's not always the case, right? I had some students come up to me today that said that they are going through a lot. You know, they're going through some storms. They're going through some tough times, whether it's with family, with friends, with just a difficult situation in their lives. But we can always still try to keep positive and keep this positive approach through anything that we go through, right? Reach out for support when we need it. That's part of doing our best too, is to know when we have to ask for help. And that kind of ties into the main shirt that I wear for this assembly. It says, "Keep your head up." And the words are upside down on purpose, because if you look down or feel down, it's a reminder to keep thinking positive no matter what. And when the students really understood this and really took it to heart, they know that true excellence, it's not always about being the best, but it's just about doing your best. That even if we fail, even if we feel like we're a failure, it doesn't make us a failure, right? Even if we make a mistake, we are not a mistake. That we can keep trying, we can keep persevering, keep pushing, and that's all the adults in our lives want from us, is to just give our effort, right? Give the best effort. We don't have the outcome always, but we can control the effort. And that's why I love, these sayings behind me, some of these phrases. Do your best. You can do it. Dream big. Obviously, go Bears. This is home of the Bears, Bates Elementary. Welcome to Bates too. But we also have, the ideas that we need to work hard to know that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's giving up. It's quitting. And as long as we don't give up, as long as we keep going forward, that's really all that matters. So through a series of motivational videos, some heartfelt stories, and some positive music, we were able to accomplish this primary lesson of the students just knowing, hey, we need to get rid of the negative beliefs, the negative doubts, the negative thoughts that are in our mind and in our heart, because whatever you tell your mind and heart, it's going to believe, right? And replace it with something more positive, right? And so if we can start to take that mentality with every area of our lives, we know that we can get past anything and that we can truly do anything. Further, if we can keep talking positively to ourselves, right, and make that a habit in our lives, this being a Leader in Me school with the habits that they have on their walls as well, right? But if we make that a habit every day, what we talked about as a group, the 2 assemblies for grades 3, 4, and 5, we really started to reinforce this idea that every day we're talking more positive to ourselves. How will our life start to look? And it's going to look better, right? It's going to improve. If we fail, we're not going to give up, right? If somebody says something that we can't do something, we're not going to believe that, right? We're going to probably improve our grades, improve our friendships. We're going to be kinder. We're going to be more confident, have more self-esteem in the long run, right? Make that a daily practice. We're just going to keep, feeling better and really living a better life. And to grasp that concept at a young age is huge. And it also ties into what I speak about in all of my presentations, every topic that I do, and that's knowledge of our worth and how important we are, how special we are, that we talk kindly to our mind, that we're kind to our mind and our hearts. It ties into us all being miracles, right? We all have, with the lines of our hand, at least one on each hand. I trace one of mine here, but with the lines on our palms, we have the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it, and that M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love, to give it and receive it, but we have to buy into that, right? We have to believe that. It starts with that positivity, right? And then we can go out into this world and show others that maybe forgot this or have never been told this, or just need a reminder that they are also miracles, that they are worth everything, and that we can be that light to their hearts. Thank you guys for touching my hearts. You guys are beautiful. Have a great school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out some additional motivation through this playlist on the bottom. And you can also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol on your screen tablet wherever you're watching this video to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.